G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now I am up at my block and I've been doing a heap of work lately. Since I bought this place a year ago, I've been doing some filming, some stuff that I wanted to release ages ago, but I just didn't get around to it. So I thought I'd release it now. So you'll see some footage from a year ago with Mark when I first got this place and I first walked in. So go and check that out and then I'll show you the progress of where we're at so far. All right, so as you can see, I've got a bit of gardening to do. Bell Property gave me a nice little hamper here, which is always nice. Just put that down there so I can open this door. A few cobwebs on the door. See what I'm getting myself into. If that's the right one or that one. Come on, you two. Beautiful. All right. Now I am getting the carpet steamed tomorrow because it is an old place. This is it. This is where I'll be living for a while. Have a bloody go at it, would ya? What do you reckon, lads? This is all right, isn't it? Now I'm going to have to do something about this. And all right, back up at the block. Mark's here. Decided to come up and see the block, and I've put him to work. Something different. Help me with some fencing.
I think you're helping me with some fencing.
I'm helping him with some fencing.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so which is good. But we decided I was going to rip all this out and put all new stuff in, but Mark's gone and Mark said just tighten all these wires and then put some chicken wire up. And well, there you go. This seems to be a bit of a spot for everyone to go flying past. So something to look forward to. But yeah, so this is for the dogs, this bit, obviously, and got another 50 odd meters over here. Oh shit! Yeah, obviously need to trim some trees here, but yeah, a few of these posts there are a bit shit, so it's going to be steel droppers at the moment, but yeah, into it.
So the big fella thought it'd be a good idea to park around the back, but the only way to get around the back is through this paddock. It's well over knee high. It's well over knee high grass and it's pretty wet. We're going to see how the little orange rocket goes getting through this thing. If he gets stuck, I'm out of here.
Oh shit.
That was tough. You need to do it again.
Made it.
What gear were you in? Second?
Second.
I reckon you could have gone to top. She's a tough old girl. Nah, you'll be fine. What could go wrong? It's smoking! It was smoking!
Oh god, it's burned.
Alright. Alright, now you know you're safe. You may as well go again.
Go the other way. Get get the grass down. Eh?
Yeah, yeah. On this episode of Drivin With Dixon, we cut the lawns. Now you've done it. When you're smoking on the grass, that's next level.
And here with the boys at the moment, as you can see, and I'm just pulling this fence out, as you can see, because someone sort of came around that corner when it was wet and flicked it in here, nearly hit the stovey pole and ended up just down here. So yeah, I just had to drag it out because it was all overgrown. Old mate, he put 2 new trees in because that's where they came through, and said he was going to clean up the fence, but didn't. The fence wasn't really a fence, and he said he'd replace it. I said don't worry about it because it wasn't really up. I'm going to put a post and railing fence sort of the whole way along up there. At the moment, I was just going to mow all around my trees and make sure they're all healthy because I planted 56 trees. But the boys are here hanging out. The flies are just ridiculous at the moment, so yeah, a bit of a pain in the ass, but got the little ute going because the ram's getting a detail and after my big trip, and so I'm just going to do a bit of a vlog, like, because of that storm, like, we've got trees down everywhere. So down here and then all the way up here, see that big tree up there has got a limb just hanging there, so I'm going to cut that down. And that one there as well, I think, because like it's got a big crack in it, and that's where my shed's going, just next to it. So I don't really want to build a bloody big shed there and then have this tree just fall on it. So gonna do that. And on the other side of the house, there's a heap of stuff that needs to be cut up as well. So there's all huge branches up there I'll have heaps of firewood, but there's plenty to do. And burning season literally finished yesterday, so I'm just gonna have to do another big pile, really. I mean, I didn't even get to burn all that stuff over there, so it's just going to be even bigger now, and I don't really like it being there, but anyway, got to get through it. And I need to mow this, and luckily I've got something coming which will be able to help me out with this, which I'm super pumped about. Hopefully next week I can get that, and then I can do all this sort of stuff. This poor little thing here, copping an absolute pizzling, trying to get through all here, but I'm not going to mow this. I'm just going to do the line down the trees, and then I've got a snipper that's up there, and I'm just going to go around the trees and then probably out in the nature strip as well and get that done. So I just spent a little bit of time there pulling that fence out, and now I'm going to mow down the run down here, and Owen's just trying to find some shade because it's actually warm, which is amazing to have this good heat. But yes, so this is what we're doing. He just goes and lays in the grass, filled with grass seeds probably. But yeah, I'm just going to rip down there. And just do a couple of strips and then go from there. I've sort of, as you can see, I made a little motorbike track that goes up there, but it doesn't quite work because it's a little bit tight. But anyway, we'll see how we go. G'day guys, up at the block like normal, and my new vehicle has arrived. So let's just show you. It's actually the same color as this. this fella. So here it is. Boys are here. Have a go at it. It is a little Kubota diesel tractor. It has the big mowing deck on it, 3-way bucket, and I've got a post hole digger over there as well. So I am so pumped for this. I've been hanging to get it for ages. So this is it. Have a go at it. 4-wheel drive, all the works, and yeah. So help me slash all the long grass and clean up this bloody absolute shit show with all the trees down and all that sort of stuff up there. So I'm going to jump on it now and go see what it does. So hopefully just chews all that stuff up real easy. Let's go. Right, so a fair bit's changed since since Mark and I were here putting up the fence. I've just been cutting up a heap of wood from the massive storms we've had. So that's all that there. The little ute's been flat out. As you can see, a lot of gardening's happened. I've got to get back in there with a whip snipper and whatnot, but a tree fell down from up there, and landed down here. Took out my Hills hoist, which I was pretty flat about because I used that a lot, clearly. But yeah, so obviously a few more things. I'm just still tidying up. Just cut down a tree there, and that's my boundary just here. So, but I tend to mow sort of just out there to clean it up. So I've got to still clean up all these trees that have fallen down, or branches I should say. But come out here, it's a little bit windy, so sorry about that. So I've been doing a heap of mowing. And as you saw, I got myself a little Kubota tractor, which is right there. And that tree keeps snapping down there and leaving branches everywhere, so I'm going to cut that down in the next couple of days. But here is a little update of the block so far. So I planted 56 latent greens, so they're going to join together hopefully one day. They grow a metre a year, and yeah, so hopefully they'll be able to block out the road because it is quite a busy road. And so I've been doing a heap of mowing. I've got a little Husqvarna in there that's been getting the confident pizzling. So I finally bit the bullet and bought this thing, which is a Kubota 4-wheel drive. It's got a mower deck. It's got a post hole digger attachment, which is up in the shed, but because I want to put a post and railing fence in, electric gate here. So I spent most of the day cleaning up branches that have fallen from these trees, cutting them up, and moving a heap of the stuff out and putting it on the pile. Owen's here. But yeah, so this is my block, people. This is where I'm building a house. It's going to go basically where I'm standing right now. And my shed will be up on that flat spot there. You can see a couple of posts there. A 5-bay shed with a little office sort of thing up there, so I can do everything from there. And yeah, so this is it. There's the house. The Ram, my little carport got nearly knocked over, so I got insurance in for that. But this is it, guys. I thought I'd give you a little update of what's going on here and my block, and where I've been spending most of my time when I'm not at the shed, so give my break. And there's a lot of work to do here still with my fences, and because someone went through the fence as you would have seen. But yeah, so I love it up here. It's the best thing I've ever done. The dogs have the best time ever. But yeah, so I'm still cleaning up. I've got to tidy up that pile up there a little bit more, and that's why I got this little thing, because I can just push everything in and make it all a little bit better. I obviously clean shave and shave the beard off for just no reason at all. Just thought I'd do it, mix it up a little bit. But yeah, so this is my block, people. Hope you like the little tour and the difference from where it was to where it is now. It's taken a fair bit of work over the last year, but I love it. And I mean, I'm going to build a big house. It's going to be in here, and we'll be looking at this way. So once this place is built, we'll knock this place over, clear all this, and this will be nice and grasslands and just look nice and tidy, and then hopefully I can get some animals down the track. But that's the update of my house and block. So I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.